Hi guys! Are you ready to travel? If yes, today in Made in Home, we invite you to make a little trip with us. The aromas of herbs and spices are the key ingredients of this special recipe. We present to you falafel with a super creamy tahini sauce. I hope you're gonna enjoy! Mwah! For this flavor explosion falafel, we need to soak 500 grams of chickpeas overnight. The day after, strain them well and keep them aside while we prepare the rest of the ingredients. Super taste! The secret to perfect falafel is to use dry chickpeas rather than thin ones. Peel and remove the germ of 5 medium-sized garlic cloves. Peel and cut 1 medium-sized ROSCOFF onion or any sweet variety of your preference. Hey, clean your section, this is aroma. Roughly chop 1 bunch of coriander. Pick the leaves of 1 bunch of parsley and roughly chop them. Also, chop 3/4 bunch of dill. Super taste! Make a selection of fresh herbs to boost the flavor of any dish. Now that all our ingredients are ready, let's mix it all up. In a food processor, add the chickpeas, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, all chopped herbs, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground coriander, half teaspoon of espelette or any type of chili, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Are you ready? Process everything for 60 seconds, then clean the borders and do it again for 3 to 4 times until you get a granulated mixture. Not too thin, either too thick. This is important to keep a fluffy texture. Take the mix to the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Once cold, add half teaspoon of baking soda and mix it well. This will add air to the mixture. Also, add 2 tablespoons of white sesame seed for extra texture and flavor. Roll time! Take a bit of the mix and shape it into small balls, or patties if you prefer. Super taste! Do not press too hard to keep a fluffy texture. From this batch, you will get in between 25 to 30 balls. Let's fry! In a deep pot, heat up some frying oil to 175 degrees and cook the falafels in small batches in between 4 to 5 minutes. Repeat the process until done. And to dip the falafels, let's make an easy and creamy tahini sauce. In a small bowl, add some sesame paste, water, salt, 1 clove of garlic, and the juice of 2 lemons. Add everything into a blender and mix it until creamy and smooth. If needed, adjust the creaminess of the sauce with a bit of water. Our son and his little bear love to help in the kitchen. We guess cooking may be their passion. Nice and creamy. And now the moment of the truth. Taste time!